before I was ever an all-decade running back, my dreams was to be a president. Nobody knows that. And I debate all the time in the locker room. So you can see that, right?
He is a debater. He ain't never wrong.
So when you came on, I was excited because I want to be in your seat, so it works out a little different.
This dude right here, not to cut you off, Gov, this dude right here, I hope we don't have no interactions where you got to argue with this dude because I don't think you're going to be able to win. I know you had a high position, but this dude right here, he's not wrong at nothing he does in life. So go ahead.
Bring it on. Bring it on. I love a good debate, but I'll tell you, you grew up, LaShawn, you grew up in the shadow of our state capitol here in Harrisburg.
Right.
So
that's right.
So that's where I work every day. Anytime you want to come, check it out. We'd love to have you, and you should run for office if you want. Don't run against me, but you should run for office.
Don't run against
Make sure your voice is heard, pal.
Let's go.